Hey y'all, CB here again at NBS Welding, and your friendly no BS welder has got another little project here. This is the base plate for my neighbor's sit and spin, and him and his grandchild have got on this thing and whirled around, and it broke off there. And if we get a really good close look at it, there's a couple things that we can find here. Now, he knows that the tilt of this thing is critical in the way that it works. So he's match marked it for me with that white marker. And after he did that, knowing that I'm going to clean up the paint, I've put a center punch mark. So even if I clear that white mark off there, I'll still know which one to line up. The other thing that we see when we look at this is this was probably one of the robotic laser welders that ran across here at 9 million miles an hour and not set up correctly, because obviously all the welds on the base plate and it did not equally fuse the two parts together. But we're going to fix it so him and his grandkid can get on there and spin around. And first thing, I've got to get rid of all this powder coating. So I'm going at it harsh with the wire wheel on the angle grinder, and then we set it back on there and see what kind of fit up we got. Pretty obvious it bent. That one leg right there in particular bent quite a bit whenever, probably just at the last moment when it finally snapped. So we're going to want to straighten that out. I'll just lay it on the table, hammer it out until it fits on there, and then we're going to use 30,000 solid MIG wire and a 75-25 gas with the ARCCAPTAIN MIG 205 Pro. This thing handled that just beautifully. Really, really good MIG welder. And there's going to be another video when I review that machine. I'll separate it from this video. We'll do some stick welding with it and stuff too. But we got that baby welded up, and if you look at the top there, you can see that I didn't re-weld the top completely, but I did add some tacks to the very top just to make sure that there weren't any cracks that started out right there. So I think we're looking good on this, and I want to thank y'all for watching, and y'all learn how to work with what you got. That way you always have everything you need. Hey y'all, CB here, the No BS Welder here at NBS Welding. I'm wanting to let y'all know we got t-shirts for sales. If you'd like to support the NBS Welding YouTube channel, send Tina an email at nbswelding@aol.com. Go to the NBS Welding YouTube channel. Check out the content. And in all new video descriptions, there's links to our Amazon storefront and our affiliates. So you can check out the products that I use and endorse.